Well, we got the picture, bud.
I'm getting emotional.
You getting emotional?
Yeah, I'm gonna cry. I think.
Don't cry.
I'm definitely
Wait,
gonna cry.
who's tall? Both of you.
Who? Me?
Wait.
I'm not fucking tall.
I'm not fucking tall.
You're
I
taller
am
than Noah.
taller than Noah.
Exactly. And
Alright.
I just feel
We'll send him. Good luck.
we
Fucking
should
get
have
him.
gotten to like.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Give him the
Good
old
luck.
Good luck
I'll be
sleeping in.
napping.
Good
You
luck
be
in your
napping?
bed.
Yeah.
Where's
Give him the
nice
good
and
old dirt
warm.
nap.
Y'all 8:30 picture?
8:30 picture. Yes, sir.
Send it.
See you, buddy.
Later.
All right, y'all. Good morning. It is May 6th. This is the first time we're going to be getting out turkey hunting. Just weekends to hunt right now because of work and everything like that. We're heading to meet up with Jody and Dustin like we always do. It is currently 4:20. We're heading over to Dustin's property. A little foggy this morning, but we got a full moon, so we're going to head over here, see if we can get some birds gobbling. If not, you guys seen it. We're just going to jump from property to property, get one gobbling hopefully, and hopefully put some smack down on a bird today. One of us, hopefully. We might switch it up and have me and Dustin call in a bird for Jody, like he always used to call it. Usually calls in one for us. So it's early. I don't have much more to say about that than hopefully just let's go put a smack down on a bird, give him a dirt nap. See you guys out in the woods. See you on Jody. Fuck that guy's gate. There's one right there, hold. I seen a Tom right here.
That's when I shot, isn't it?
I think.
I don't know, I couldn't see the beards.
They're all running.
There's a shit coming in. It might have been that fucking pocket.
That's why they wouldn't
really gobble to you with the owl wood and all that.
Nice bird.
Yeah.
He's a heavy little fucker.
That one. He went over there somewhere. Oh yeah, he's 18 pounds probably.
He ain't quite 18, but he's heavy.
You gotta be fucking cold.
Yeah, they sound like toms. Can you hold this for a second? Your decoy's up there.
Well, when I heard him, then you got him the gobble. Then I seen him down here.
They come up over there somewhere. I told you they were coming up to our left, because last time I heard them, they were over there somewhere.
I seen him here. Well, down front, I seen him cross over. That's why I started looking this way. Then they gobbled in here. I said, holy fuck. Then I see one come up. He came up. The first one came up. I couldn't tell what it was. Came up here. Went back this way. This one came up and stood and looked right at me. I said, I didn't know those other
I
ones.
could see him looking at you. I could
said,
see him
fuck
here.
you.
Well, I don't think so. The one I saw was up a little bit further. I could hear him fucking strutting.
That was
hear
the
him
one
pop.
that strutted right there. He was the one he fluffed up and then put it right back down. He didn't leave it up very long.
I love it. Boom! Fuck, I shot a Jake.
I said, fuck, I shot a Jake. This is camp meat.
Hell yeah, dude. That's fucking...
There was one out here.
There was a
We
lot.
can, let me go back and get my back roost.
Wait, I'm on gobble now?
You might have spooked him a little bit with your shot. He was coming. That time, that was the one you seen that was lonely down
Yeah,
there?
he was down.
He was coming up across the cornfield there.
I don't care. Still gets my blood pumping. Told you I was gonna shoot Jake if I wanted one. You just beat me to it.
He got all hard about Penny.
What did he say?
I told him, I said he forgot all about Penny.
Oh yeah. Fucking poor Penny. This is bullshit. Why are they not beating us? Why are they not beating up the other shit at each other?